Hey, so we're here. We've got the bikes. We're in Pucon.
Yeah. Here we go.
Time out from the Organic Pea Conference.
Pucon
Phil, Paolo,
inside.
Frederick, Nelly, and the bikes. And we found a bike shop. Yay! Let's see what it's like. So we've gone about 200 meters now. We stopped at the supermarket to get some stuff. Hey, bike's all right. Yeah. Whoa. It's been a long drag so far. Basically going up the side of a volcano.
That's right, let's go. Come the guys. Hi Phil.
Oh yeah.
Hi Raymond. Here we go.
Don't rent skis. I'm a bit disappointed.
Yeah. Alley, Fred. Alley.
You want a snack break?
Just look at that volcano. Amazing. Getting closer. Ooh. Fan de Pavimento, 100 meters. That means gravel's coming, I think. Bit of off-road. Here it is, the end of the road, the beginning of the gravel. It's more like it. Yay! So 6 miles climbing all the way, and we're 800 meters now. There you go.
It's really hard to do both tasks at the same time. Here we go. The Phosphorus science guys going for a ride, for a biking. Phil is doing his best. Very nice.
So we decided we've come far enough. We've done well. Look where we've got to up there. Look, there's the volcano. We're at 650 meters. What do you think, Paolo?
Yeah, very good.
Yeah,
We got a good sunset.
Magnificent.
Paolo wanted to go onto the snow line, but we're just kind of going to be out of time, really. So, yeah, fantastic.
No time.
Yeah, well, that was brilliant. So it's going to be a total of what, 15 miles or so by the time we get back. So let's go.
Let's go.
All right.
Okay. Downhill for like. Oh, here comes Fred! Awesome! Whoa! Fred! You made it, Fred! You did it!
Come and enjoy the view. Well done.
Oh.
Very good.
I need a second to catch my breath though.
You look at the soils now, Nelly.
Yes.
The pumice.
Oh, look, it's like
Yeah,
really,
it will be.
uh,
Volcanic, there, isn't it?
so cool.
Wow.
You have a ruler?
The vegetation here is totally different. Here it seems to be like a river when it comes the
Yeah,
lava.
Need,
yeah.
aesthetic preferences?
No,
No?
just ride your bikes.
Go.
Garmin on. Let's go.
It's going to be like 6.5 miles of pretty much downhill.
Here we go.
Nice.